Hello and welcome to this Adobe Illustrator tutorial with KG Designs. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful design, how to put text in a circular form to come up with such a beautiful design. So stick up with me until the end so that you can learn something. For those that are new to this channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button as well as turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any upload I make. So let's jump into Adobe. The first thing you have to do radius 800 pixels, remove the fill color, apply a stroke color of After doing that, pull out your brush panel, get your text, drag it into the brush panel, select on pattern brush, OK, and then press OK. Now we have created a brush of this text. So now the next thing we are going to do is to select the circle of hours, select the pattern brush that I've just created, the pattern brush of the words. Now you can put it back. Now we are going to select the width profile and give it a different design. For this case, I'm going to use width profile 4 and then come here and flip it along. So now we are going to add an effect. So click on this circle of hours that is formed with this. So now we are going to give it colors. So we are going to select alternating patterns. So start selecting. So now select all and then group them. Select these patterns. it's on this left upper corner. Just move it a little bit inside and closer to the one on the right, to the corners on the right, to come up with such a design. Yeah, that's it. Hope you have learned something. For those that haven't subscribed, please kindly hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, to share, and leave a comment, as well as turning on the notification bell after subscribing. Thank you guys. Stay blessed. Stay tuned on the channel because more tutorials are coming.